Welcome to part 13 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Appear. Appear. The moon will appear in the sky tonight. Reduce. Reduce. We need to reduce the amount of sugar in the recipe. Add. Add. Please add more water to the glass. Protect. Protect. We need to protect the flowers from the rain. Achieve. Achieve. She worked hard to achieve her dream. Argue. Argue. The children argue about who gets the last cookie. Prove. Prove. He can prove that he finished his homework. Exist. Exist. Dinosaurs no longer exist today. Describe. Describe. Can you describe the picture to me? Manage. Manage. She can manage her time well during the day. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.